Here's where you buy the ticket. It's about $15 in. You can exit any stop. It's gonna be the same price. Alright, got my ticket to and back. Just waiting to board. I have an hour to spend. Alright, we're getting ready to board. And then the ticket.
Okay, thanks.
This is the best seat right here, like in the back. So I'm gonna look for my seat. Actually, don't. If it's crowded, you have a assigned seat, but I'm gonna sit in the front until somebody kick me out.
Tàu thủy Thủ Thiêm trong ít phút nữa. Quý khách vui lòng kiểm tra tư trang hành. Check your belongings before leaving the boat. Thank you, and we hope to see you.
That's the first stop. Oh no, it just started raining. And we have to exit in this last stop, Lindong Station. Life servers under the seat. Lindong Station, we have to exit. See, it's raining. So last time when I was here, this house was under construction right here. They didn't have this setup right here, so they put in like a shop, I think. Here's where you buy your ticket. This cabinet coffee station was not here last time. All this is new since 2023. Got my return ticket. Okay, get my. Just made it in time. Going back home now. So I hope you guys enjoy the tour. It's definitely one of the tourist attractions that everybody should check out because it's very affordable and it's fun for the whole family.